without further ado, we're gonna get straight to the point. This is the purse.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about my Saint Laurent purse that I purchased from Saks. I can't even do a formal unboxing because here's the bag, but it was actually the purse that was on display, so it didn't come in a box or anything like that. But it does have a dust bag. So y'all, without further ado, we're gonna get straight to the point. This is the purse. I just want to say that I got this purse because I wanted an everyday purse. If you see my last purse video, I was very upset and it bothered me that my Coach Pillow Madison purse just did not, it's not lasting and holding up the way I would want. So that purse, the chalk color that I had and the coral color were my everyday purses. So I just felt like I needed to get a new bag, something that was better quality, that would be, you know, just would hold up between the normal wear and tear. So this is the LouLou small chain bag in quilted Y leather. Y'all, first I want to say I love this purse. Now when I first got it, the second day I had it, the whole day, I didn't take off the tag off of it. I didn't carry it just because I was trying to wrap my head around how much I just spent for a bag. But when I tell y'all, once I put my stuff in here and started carrying it, like, it was definitely worth it. So I'm just gonna say that I did get this in the color cream. I'm not sure if cream is exclusive to Saks because I looked on YSL's website and I didn't see cream, and then I looked on Nordstrom's site as well and I didn't see the cream at all. So I really wanted another purse this color. So I just wanted to give an update. So if you've seen my last video, then you did see where, well, not my last video. If you see my last purse video, then you see where I talked about the Coach Pillow Madison and I was trying to figure out the next steps I was going to take. I just want to start by saying I did email Coach. They told me that I can take both of my purses to the Coach outlet store because that's the closest one to me, and purses can be shipped off from there to get repaired. So this purse is very similar in color, like the gold hardware and the cream color is very similar to the purse I had. So what I think I'm gonna do is once I get that bag repaired, I think I'm gonna sell it. The chalk one I think I'm gonna sell, and I may keep the coral one just because I don't have a purse in that color. But if I sell the chalk purse, it's going to be for lower than the retail price. So I do make sure you check out my last video because you'll see everything that's going on with the purse. So I'm being up forward, but I am going to get the bag repaired. It's in the 1-year warranty, but I plan on selling it just because once it gets fixed, this purse is the same color and very similar to that purse, and it doesn't make sense for me to have two similar looking purses, if you know what I mean. I almost got, so you know they have the toy, and I seen the toy in person. Only reason why I didn't get it is because I really wanted the chain straps, and it's like if they would have made that purse have the chain straps, it would have been perfect. Also, this purse has a lot of room. Like, I love that it can fit a lot of stuff in here. It holds its structure. So y'all, it's a plus all the way around for me. This purse is the small LouLou leather shoulder bag, iconic YSL logo, top handle, chain shoulder strap, magnetic clasp, flap closure, gold tone hardware, 1 interior zip section, 2 interior open sections, lined leather. So I just want to say this purse is retailing right now for $2,590. And when I tell y'all, I really do feel like it's worth it. First of all, the quality. So I was stuck between this purse and there was a Gucci purse that I was thinking about getting, and I will put that up on the screen. But I watched so many videos because now I want to make sure when I spend money on purses, especially when I'm spending a lot of money, and anything is really a lot of money to me, I want to make sure that I'm getting it in great quality. So I made sure I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and in comparison, I seen people talking about this purse doing their wear and tear, and then I also seen the Gucci purse that I was interested in as well, people doing their wear and tear. And one thing that stuck out to me is this purse keeps its shape. So I don't know if I really like a purse that when you're not carrying it or when it's stored, it goes like almost completely flat and loses its shape. But this purse keeps the shape even when it's empty. I want to show y'all, it does, if it focuses, it says Saint Laurent on here. On each of these, it just says Saint Laurent, has the YSL. It also says Saint Laurent Paris on the inside of the strap. And it has it on the other one as well, y'all. And then when you open the purse, has Saint Laurent right here. It also, I already have stuff in here. So y'all, this is my everyday purse and I've already been carrying it. So if you look inside, it's just really spacious, and I'm going to show y'all. And one thing I'm in love with is just this pouch in the middle. You can stick anything in there. Also, when you open it, it does have Saint Laurent right there. It says Saint Laurent Paris. When I'm carrying this purse, not only can I fit everything in here, but I can also fit my vlogging camera, which I think is great. So if I want to, you know, vlog somewhere and I don't feel like holding my camera, or I get tired of holding it, I don't have to carry my camera bag with me. I can just put my camera in my purse. So I love that as well. Like, I feel like this purse is so deep, and like there's not a bunch of fluff. It's just the purse, if that makes sense. Another thing that I love right now is that you can go from it being, you know, a shoulder bag, or, you know, you can let the chain fall like this and make it a crossbody. I just love being able to do both, because I feel like, you know, for me, honestly, it's whatever I'm in the mood for. I may hop out of the car and decide I want to put it on my shoulder like this, or I may, you know, hop out of the car and make it a crossbody, especially if I'm out shopping, whatever. So I do love that, and I do love that most brands now are making purses just be versatile, where you can do both. I really am enjoying this purse. I am going to show y'all what I have inside of it, but like I said, you can really put a lot in here. It doesn't get bulky, like it stays exactly how it is, and that's one reason why I decided to get this purse. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what's in my purse, and then we're gonna wrap up the video. So like I mentioned, this purse can hold a lot, and it's not extremely big, it's not extremely bulky or anything like that. So it does, the purse is sectioned off, and I know I showed y'all that you have this opening right here, or this pouch right here, then you have this zipper in the middle where it sections the bag off, which I love, and then you have the back opening, and then you also have a pouch back here, if you guys can see. I know I have just things put in here, but the first opening of my bag, I just want to show y'all, I have my wallet in here, I have my keys, I'm able to put my keys in here, and I have my lip gloss. And then in the middle parts of the bag, once you unzip the middle part, I just have my COVID vaccination cards, which I don't even know if they matter anymore, and I have some peppermints in here. And then in the last section of the purse, I have my headphones, I have my AirPods, I have edge brush, just the same things y'all always have in my purse. I have my lotion, and then in the last parts of the bag, in the little inside pocket in the back, I have my mirror. I have 2 ponytail holders, and then I also have the care instructions for the purse. So I just keep that back in there so I won't lose it. So I have that, y'all. And when I say this purse is so spacious, like I could put everything. I could put my phone in there as well, but it's in my lap. I could have put my phone in there. I could put my camera in there. It's just amazing. So I just want to conclude the video by saying that I love having a main purse that I can go back to, and this is definitely it. I love to carry different bags, switch it up, but I always want to have that everyday purse that I can carry with anything, and that's why I got this in this color. I just feel like this purse is very classic, very classy. You can dress this up, dress it down, anything. So I am very happy about this purchase, and I am going to give y'all a year update. So that is going to end off this video, y'all. If you really like my purse videos, make sure that you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and check out my purse unboxing and what's in my bag playlist. And make sure you follow me on my social medias, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I would like to get to know if I could.